Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Dream Finder. Today, I've made something really simple but super useful. This is a quick and practical tip that can save you time and money. As you can see in the picture, this is a regular plastic bucket that we use daily. Over time, due to constant friction with the floor, the bottom layer of the bucket wears out and becomes unusable. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to repair the base of a bucket, or better yet, how to protect a new one before the damage happens. This bucket is brand new. Its bottom layer is still strong, but I'll take a preventive approach to make it safe and long-lasting from the start. Here's another bucket that has been used for a while. The base layer is partially worn, and the center is starting to thin out due to water pressure. We'll fix this one too using the same method. So, let's get started. Friends, make sure to watch the full video without skipping. This practical trick will definitely help you save money in real life. Now, look at this item in my hand. It's just a small piece of rubber. I had it lying around, so I'm using it. But you can use any similar material available to you. I'm cutting the rubber into small pieces. Then I turn on the hot melt glue gun and wait for the glue to melt. Once it's ready, I apply glue to the edge of the bucket's bottom and attach the rubber pieces one by one, keeping equal distance between them. Look at that, friends, the bottom of the bucket now has a protective layer. This will help it last much longer, even with regular use. Now I have some PVC plastic pipe pieces. Although I used rubber pieces earlier, these plastic pipes are even more durable and long-lasting. I'm cutting the pipe into small pieces for easy installation. What you're seeing in my hand is leftover glue from a hot melt glue stick. I've repurposed it using a special technique. I'll upload a full video on how to reuse glue stick waste next time, but here's a short trailer preview of what I did. I've attached a flat metal plate to my soldering iron and heated it. Now I'm using it to melt the glue stick waste. Then, I place the small pipe pieces into the melted glue and apply a bit more heat to fuse them properly. This allows the plastic of the bucket to soften slightly and grip the glue firmly. From my experience, this method works even better than using a hot glue gun. Just like before, I'm placing the pipe pieces evenly around the base. And here we go. Now the bottom of the bucket has a strong protective layer. I applied the same method to this old bucket with a damaged base. Now, it also has a safe, reinforced bottom layer that will last much longer. I hope you enjoyed this simple but effective process. Let me know what you think in the comments, and how I can make it even better next time. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Finder. And of course, tap the bell icon so you never miss our next creative idea. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.